So we're at the Pool and Spa Show, again, JAS Aquatics. We're over here checking out the Spa Dragon. Good name, interesting name. We came over, wanted to see what the Dragon's all about. York, is that right?
Yeah.
York? Jesse?
Yeah, Jesse.
York's gonna tell us all about the Spa Dragon.
So the Spa Dragon is a backup heating system, so if your hot tub breaks down or the breaker trips to it in the winter, it'll help prevent it from freezing, and it notifies you by text and email to let you know it's been activated, so you can get it serviced before you have any freeze damage.
You know we're in the Northeast, and we all like to go to Florida, so the Spa Dragon is gonna help give a little peace of mind while you're in Florida.
There's a Wi-Fi unit that goes on the cabinet, and then you drill a hole in the base or in the cabinet to pull the power cord through, which is GFI protected. And there's a sealing plate so that rodents won't get into your hot tub.
Nice.
Then the heater, you can zip tie it right onto the plumbing. It also has screw mounts, so you can screw it to a post, upside down, wherever you can fit it. And then there's a water temperature probe that you just zip tie onto the plumbing, so that way we get a water temperature reading. You don't have to do any plumbing.
So this is almost like DIY, you could say.
Exactly. And then the customer sets the alert temperature with the app. If the water temperature drops below the alert point, the Wi-Fi unit starts flashing red. It sends a text message and an email, and it activates the heater. You can put up to 5 phone numbers and emails in here, and you can designate them as home or away. So when a customer goes away, they click away, and then you get your service email or service phone number gets the service call out of it. Yeah.
That's very nice.
Now we get some people that say, well, what if all the power goes out? Well, if all the power goes out, obviously nothing works. But we've had people plug this into an outlet that's protected by a backup generator, and that's a lot cheaper than trying to run your entire hot tub off a backup generator. If all the power is out, this sends a heartbeat to the server every 30 seconds. If that's missed for more than 15 minutes, the server will say, hey, your system's down, you better go check it out. So technically, you could find out your entire house lost power just because you have the Spa Dragon in your hot tub. And we get a lot of people that have Airbnbs, secondary properties, cottages. This is basically business insurance.
Yep.
You get someone who rents an Airbnb, they rent it with a hot tub because they don't own one, which means they don't know how to use a hot tub. So they screw around with it, do something that shuts the tub down, and they don't know, they shut it and leave.
Or you can get airlock.
Get an airlock.
Because you have all bathing load is overbathed.
Exactly.
Airbnb fills it up, water goes out, now it sucks in air, now it's running dry. The sensors could go bad.
Yeah.
So this could save you a ton of money just on the heat pack alone, just by notifying you that it's not getting heat or the coils aren't getting touched with water, and it's just bad.
Well, anything, you lose water, your fuse to your pump goes, your heater goes, the relay to your pump goes. There's about 15 different things that can fail in a hot tub that this would then be activated to help protect it. You can do it yourself. We have installation videos. You can have a tech do it, whatever you prefer. And it gives you peace of mind. You know, you buy a hot tub and vacation for a week, you have to get your neighbor to babysit it for you. And you know how your neighbor babysits it? They open their window and go, yep, looks okay.
You can see everything is zip tied on. So it's very user friendly and it's very easy to put together yourself, or you can have a professional come over and install it, set up to your Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
When it's green, you see it's working.
Yeah, green means everything's good.
Most of the tubs we're using at JAS Aquatics, we don't really like doing the foam. So if there's an issue, we can service it and operate it. We really go after hot tubs that are, you know, the shells are insulated. They have the isolene foam on them for insulation, and then accessibility to fix things are working. If the water's moving correctly, you shouldn't have any issues. But this saves so much problems for the future.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah, I like that it texts, it's all on your phone.
Yeah, you know, you freeze your plumbing, we do insurance claims, 5 to 10 grand for repair.
Yeah,
so it literally is to the point where it's cheaper to replace the tub.
And how much is the average set point?
Retail is $5.99.
Okay, very nice, very fairly priced.
You freeze the pump, and the service call, you're $1,000.
Not in New York, we're more.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, we're more. Check it out.
TheSpaDragon.com.
So check out SpaDragon.com or JASAquatics.com, and we'll help you out.